in the next 48 hours, gold could move that wipe out most traders and rewards the few who actually see it coming. Right now, gold isn't just moving, it's setting a trap, a calculated, precise setup built around liquidity. Here's the part most people don't realize: this market isn't random, it's strategic. So, the real question is, are you about to get trapped or are you about to capitalize? Stick with me because I am breaking down the exact level that could control gold next move. If you see what we have seen, the price is trading below a level of 4800, okay, at around $47.52. I've clearly mentioned you that there is a bearish engulfing pattern has formed twice, okay. But if you see this particular trend, we have not seen that the price has made a low, okay. But if you see this particular trend, we have seen that the price in this particular zone, it was about to go down but it didn't go down, okay. And because there is a bearish engulfing candle, it tries to move in this particular zone, okay. And when there is a zone breakout happens, it has touched a level of $48.60. Now what the similar pattern we have seen, okay, this is the similar pattern showing a bearish engulfing candle, okay. Now a candle which is moving in this particular zone, but it is in between the previous red candle. If you see that gold recently tapped a key resistance zone, okay, which is around 4800 and touched a level of 4894 and again moved below a level of 4800. Gold recently and the price around $48.90 being rejected, not the way we would expected in a strong bearish move, but the rejection was weak and controlled, almost like the market is holding back. That's the first signal where we have seen an equal high forming. In trading, equal high means one thing: liquidity sitting above the market, and they and don't ignore liquidity because they go after it. Okay, so what's likely play here? A break above resistance, pulling in breakout buyers only to reverse and trap them. Okay, because if you see this particular trend, we can see that the price is moving in this particular range from quite some time. There is bearish engulfing candle and the similar pattern has formed twice, okay. So if this again we see that particular day the price move in this zone, so we can see the green candle form. The next candle can be green and it can start moving in this particular zone again, the similar pattern if you see, okay. So probability can be high, we can see there can be a further upside. So here is the twist: if the breakout actually real, and what if the gold does not come back, or we'll cover that just in a second. Understand, suppose if it started going upside, we can see it can touch today's high of around 47.65, which is resistance 1, and then after that we can see it can touch a level of today's high of around $47.74, which is a resistance 2. And once started going upside, we can see the price will go above that level and it will move towards $47.96. From there, a probability is high it will cross above a level of 48. It can touch a level of $48.08, and if the price keep moving above that level, a further upside price sustain above 48 level, chances are very high it can move towards 48.27, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 48. After 48.37, probability of going towards 48.46 can be seen, and from there we can see it will move towards 48.55. Okay, understand the price will still moving in this particular zone, so chances are high it can move towards 48.76. From there it can go towards 48. Fail or sell by around 10 to $15, so probability is high. We can see a further upside movement. Suppose if it started coming down, it can come down towards $47.39, which is a support one, and if the price falling below that level, it can move further down towards 47.15, which is today's low. Okay, so it is a support too, and then this smaller pattern support downside, so chances are high it will move towards a level of 46.69, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will move towards 46.45, and this particular trend can breaks downside, so chances are high it will touch a level of 46.09, then to a level of 45.93, and once the price move below this leaf, 4600 is an important level, so bounce back can be seen. So understand, if the price fall below 4600 is an important level, then trail your SL around $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture downside movement, and this trend will support downside as soon as the price started falling for below 4600. Okay, now we see a bigger picture. If you see a bigger picture, what we can see that the US dollar is showing short term strength. Bond yields are creeping higher and the market is still unsure about the timing of rate cuts. All of that creates downfall pressure on the gold, but at the same time, geopolitical tension is quietly building. And when uncertainty rises, we have seen people started going towards a safe haven, and when short term bearish pressures were underlining bullish demands, that exactly when traps are born. So what we can see looking at this chart, so here is the game plan. 48 hours short term bearish after liquidity grab above high and then potential bullish reversal. So don't chase the breakout, wait for confirmation. Okay, 46 level is very important, and a level of 4800 is also very important. 4800 we can see a further upside, but if it keep moving below 4600 we can see a further downfall. If you look at the dollar index, if you look at the dollar index chart, you can see there is a gap down which is showing that a less strength for the dollar index, but today or 2 3 days we can see there is trying to rise. Okay, if you see this particular trend, we can see if the price keep moving below a level of 98.2, a further fall can be seen towards 98, and from there it can move below 97.5. But if it keep rising and goes above a level of around 98.5, chances are high it will touch a level of 99, then it will move towards $99.5. Okay, and then further upside. On the gold chart, what you can see, if you look at the lower time frame, where you will understand more clearly, see we have seen there is a change in the volume on the 2 hours time frame, and we can see the price is trying to go down looking at this particular chart. So if the price keep moving below this level, it can move towards 47.36, and then a further fall can be seen towards 47.18. From there a level of 46.92, and then it can move down towards 46.68, and then a further fall can be seen towards 46.43. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall can be seen. Okay, but if the price rising above this level, it can move towards 47.72, then to a level of 47.99, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, understand that we have seen that the gold is moving in this particular zone from quite some time. So the resistance above 4800 is important. If keep moving upside, we can see a further high, but if the price keep moving below 4600, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, right now gold is sitting at a critical point. Either it break out or trap traders and drop fast. So it breaks clean or rallies hard. So middle ground, at the next 48 hours they are going to expose everything. If you want to stay ahead of the moves like this, hit subscribe right now and drop a comment below, fake out or breakout. I want to know which sides you are in, because the next move in gold isn't just move, it's a signal. Only traders who are paying attention will catch it.